Alright, Tega. It's been a long time. We didn't film the startup a few weeks ago.
No.
What day is today?
April 14th.
April 14th. And it's actually sunny and pretty right now, which has been very hit and miss.
Oh, it's been a very nice weekend.
Yeah, it has. But in general. Okay, and so this is the second time we've been here?
Yes.
I feel like we got more done this time than last time.
I don't think we did anything last time.
No, we really didn't, other than enjoyed the fire. Okay, so, but this will be quick. We enjoyed the fire again this time. We watched most of a movie. And then we figured out the stair design, which is what this is. I got started on it. Put up some this butcher paper and debated it all day yesterday and set some dimensions. And I think it works. This also generated a long conversation about the detailing of the hearth, which is much more complicated and doesn't quite work. We were unlucky with that, but we'll make it work. And then, yeah, we don't have enough wood, right type of wood to keep going with this. So I will make a list of everything, and hopefully next week can come back with what we need to start really throwing this together. We want to get it done as fast as possible. There's going to be some built-in storage underneath the stairs as it rises for firewood and who knows what else. And then we'll also have access from the other side, from the kitchen, which will into the stairs as well. But I guess I'll be able to show that more later. And I don't guess there's any more. There's nothing else to show here right now. We didn't do anything outside. It's very, very wet. Very wet.
You know that this is happening. Any non-essential expenditure creates a rip between the two units.